Okay, so let me introduce myself and then let me start. Till then, maybe other people can join. So, friends, I am Ashita Mathur. I'm a clinical psychologist and director Mentis Mind Cure. Hi, Rashmi. Thank you for joining. And I'm based in Faridabad. I'm a parenting expert and a relationship counselor as well. So, friends, today we are going to speak and discuss about how to communicate with kids. एक छोटी सी कहानी से शुरुआत करना चाहूँगी. There was a mother and a son, and they had a really good relationship. And uh, his father was a very rich person, a very from and it was a very well-to-do family, a very grounded family. They used to go for all sort of social activities. They used to uh, do a lot of uh, you know uh, work for poor people. They used to uh, donate, and this is what this young child has seen since uh, uh, since he started understanding the world around him. तो ये जो बच्चा है, जैसे जैसे ये बड़ा होता है, and one day he get an invitation for a birthday party. तो इस बच्चे को जो इनविटेशन मिलता है, दैट इज़ इन अ 5 स्टार होटल. वहाँ पे बच्चे की पार्टी होती है, फ्रेंड की पार्टी होती है, एंड ही इज़ बीन इनवाइटेड देयर. और जब ये बच्चा वहाँ जाता है बर्थडे पार्टी में, ही इन्जॉयज अ लॉट. उसके लिए इतना शौक होता है दैट ही सीज इतना अच्छा होटल है, इतना अच्छा एम्बियंस है, इतना अच्छा खाना है, डेकोरेशन है. वो सब देख के उसको लगता है कि चमक, सारी आंखों में जो चमक उस समय जो बच्चे को दिखती है, उससे वो इतना खुश होता है, इतना इंस्पायर होता है दैट जब वो घर जाता है तो वो अपनी मदर से कहता है कि मम्मी आज की पार्टी बहुत ही अच्छी थी एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड एंड आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू सिमिलर पार्टी. तो अब की बार जब मेरी बर्थडे आए तब आप भी मेरा बर्थडे होटल में करना. सो आई वुड इनवाइट माई फ्रेंड्स. तो उनकी मदर ने बोला कि आई डोंट एग्री टू दिस. एंड वाई? लेट अस डिस्कस. Mother sat down with the son and told, see, you have uh, say about 10 friends and you invite all of them. You are almost going to spend 30 to 40,000 in such a big hotel when you serve good food, variety of food, and then you want to dress up well, you want to buy a new dress for yourself, you want to buy a return gift for your friends. So in total you will spend this much amount. And just look at our driver. Both his son do not attend school. And if you can donate this amount to him or give it to him, to his son, then he will be going to school. And every time he dress up and go to school, you will see and remember that I did something good. I could help him. अब बच्चे को ये बात थोड़ी तो समझ में आई और वो एग्री भी कर गया. एंड ही गेव द अमाउंट ऑन हिज बर्थडे. अपने ही हाथ से उसने ये अमाउंट अपने जो उनके ड्राइवर थे उनको दिया. और थोड़े दिन उनको बुरा लगा, थोड़े देर उस बच्चे को बुरा लगा कि मेरी बर्थडे पार्टी का जो अमाउंट है वो मैंने किसी को दे दिया. बट देन डेज पास्ट एक दो दिन निकल गए, 3 दिन निकल गए, 4 दिन निकल गए. As he started seeing lot of change in his driver's son, he can see उसकी personality में change है, वो पढ़ रहा है, he can communicate well, he started dressing well. He started feeling so positive that he could do something good for a person. And immediately he realized कि मैंने जो किया वो अच्छा किया, and he went back to his mother and told कि now I am feeling better about it. So ultimately what happened here? Why the story here? Dear friends, when we communicate with kids, they don't understand the why of everything. They don't get convinced with everything we say. All we expect as a parent कि बच्चा हमारी बात सुन ले, बच्चा हमारी बात को जो हम कह रहे हैं उसको मान ले. Hello Ila, so nice to see you. So हम ये देख रहे हैं कि हम ये सोचते हैं कि बच्चा हमारी बात को मान ले, हम इस मोटिव के साथ कोई बात कहते हैं. पर एक्चुअली डू यू थिंक कि ये बच्चे सुनते हैं या समझ पाते हैं? डू दे एक्चुअली लिसन एवरी टाइम? डज दिस एक्चुअली हैपन? सारे पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि बच्चा हमारी बात सुन ले, हमारी बात मान ले, लेकिन ये एक्चुअल में नहीं होता. एंड दिस इज फैक्ट नॉट फॉर वन पेरेंट बट फॉर एवरी पेरेंट. तो हम ऐसा क्या लैक कर रहे हैं कि हमारी बात बच्चे तक नहीं पहुंच रही? एंड देन दिस क्रिएट्स डिस्टर्ब रिलेशन और कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज पेरेंट और चाइल्ड के बीच में, स्ट्रेसफुल एनवायरनमेंट घर में, लड़ाई झगड़ा घर में. And which is happening more nowadays because most of you are at home and you are monitoring your child 24 hour. Your child is seeing you 24 hour at home. They see you working all the time. They are busy with school and they don't have any much option to go out. Though things are open now, but still because we all are keeping safe, they don't have much option to go out regularly. Right? So when you communicate with child, it is very important that we understand first what is the purpose. मैं कौन सी बात बच्चे तक पहुंचाना चाहती हूँ, ऐसा क्या बिहेवियर है जो मैं बच्चे को चाहती हूँ कि वो करे, या what is the action, what is the learning which I want to give to the child. Until and unless we understand what is the purpose, we will not be able to give it to the child. So the story which I said here, वहाँ पे अल्टीमेट गोल मदर का था कि वो बच्चा मनी की वैल्यू को समझे. मदर ऑल्सो सेड कि पार्टी करना कोई बुरा नहीं है. प्रोबेबली दैट parent who organized the party in 5-star hotel, they were having that much money and they were willing to give. Whatever discussion they might have, whatever situation they might have, that is totally different, and our situation, our condition, our finances can be totally different. So that child, when he went to London, he went abroad to study, and there, when it was his birthday, and he also luckily got scholarship for his studies, and approximately that was amount of say 1 lakh or something like that. So it was a good amount, pretty good amount. So this mother was worried that what the child is going to do. Is he going to spend all this on his birthday? And the mother here, back here, was little worried what he is going to do. But now, since he is grown up, she left the decision to him. मदर ने सोचा कि मैं उसको ही डिसाइड करने देती हूँ, मुझे बुरा तो लगेगा अगर उसने बर्थडे पे स्पेंड कर दिया, बट इट्स ओके, इट्स हिज डिसीजन. आई कैनॉट आई कैनॉट ऑलवेज इंटरफेयर. कैन यू इमेजिन व्हाट द चाइल्ड डिड? 20 years back, that child has donated his birthday amount for his driver. And today, this child has donated that amount for the families who were injured or who were, the soldiers, Indian soldiers who were injured. He donated to such families. And mother was really happy. She was satisfied with what she wanted to give, the value which she wanted to give. Is she is actually able to see the outcome now after 20 years. Still, that child has that value and that feeling that he should not spend much on his luxury. So, friends, what I wanted to say here is when you realize your goal, there are only three ways in which you can communicate. One, if you really want your child to understand and to know what you are trying to say, spend some time with them. Make them realize these values the way this mother did for money. You can do same way for other things. You can create small experiment with them and ask them to do it with their friends' parents, and let them survey and see what other people are doing around. And once they understand the value, this will be a lifelong learning for them. आप एक बार कह दोगे कि ये करना है तो ये बच्चा नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज उसको उस चीज़ का रीज़न नहीं समझ में आया. उसे सिर्फ इतना लगा कि मुझे बड़ों की बात माननी है, इसलिए मैंने मान ली. rather than doing this, अगर बच्चा उस चीज़ की वैल्यू को समझ रहा है, उस चीज़ का पॉजिटिव आउटकम देख रहा है, जिससे उसे सेटिस्फैक्शन मिल रही है. बच्चे को शायद एक बार बाहर खाना खाने से, होटल में खाना खाने से थोड़ी देर की खुशी मिली, लेकिन उसने लाइफ लॉन्ग ये रियलाइज किया कि मैंने अगर अपना मनी किसी को पढ़ाने के लिए, किसी पुअर फैमिली को या किसी को अगर डोनेट किया है, तो लाइफ लॉन्ग आई कैन सी देम ग्रो and feel good about it, feel satisfied about it. The other way is that you convince them. You convince them through examples from your life, from your stories, what you used to do. And how you do that? Once the child in that situation. अभी आजकल मेरे पास जो पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं, दे आर इन द सिचुएशन कि बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा मोबाइल एडिक्शन है, सोशल मीडिया एडिक्शन है, बच्चे सुन नहीं रहे, ज़्यादा टीवी देख रहे हैं या ज़्यादा सीरीज़ देख रहे हैं, दे हैव लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. तो ये सारी कंप्लेंट्स आ रही हैं, या खाना ठीक टाइम पे नहीं खा रहे, या स्लीप ठीक टाइम पे पूरी नहीं ले रहे. सो जस्ट लेट अस जस्ट गो डाउन to their age. They all have come here with their own purpose. और जब तक हम बच्चे को नहीं समझेंगे कि वो क्या चाहता है, बच्चे का पर्पस क्या है, what is that he needs, हमें बच्चे के लेवल पे जाना पड़ेगा. वो बच्चा तो अभी आया है दुनिया में वो कई सारी चीज़ें देख रहा है. He wants to explore, he wants to learn, he want to experiment things, he want to question. और हमने अगर उसको चुप करा दिया and we don't let them question, they will not learn. So let them question, give them the opportunity to discuss, to learn, to observe, and that is how you convince them. And the third option is, आपने एक बार कन्विंस कर दिया, आपने एक बार उसको उस चीज़ की वैल्यू समझा दी, and now you leave it up to him, right? आज हम लोग सब अडल्ट हैं, हम लोग सब बड़े हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं, they still guide us, but lot of things they have left on us, how we want to all of us are married, staying in different house, work, having different job, parents are staying at different place. They have left us with the option how we handle, how we manage our job, our life, our house. How do we do that? They definitely guide us in between, but still option oh, uh, is on us. How do we do that? So until and unless we had this skill, our parents would have, अगर हमारे पेरेंट्स ने ये स्किल्स हमें नहीं दिया होता, then they would have not left, they could have not left us left the choice with us. So it is very important that आपने अगर उसको एक बार सिखा दिया है, whether right or wrong, you just need to be there for the support. And the fact is, हम चाहे कितने भी बड़े हो जाएं, 100% राइट हम कभी भी नहीं होते. कुछ गलतियां हम अभी भी करते हैं, and the same way these kids will do. So let them do. Accept that. वो एक्सेप्टेंस हमारे अंदर भी आनी चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चे से गलती हो सकती है. Because the child is going to do mistake or accept mistake in front of his family, because आप उसको accept कर रहे हो. अगर आपने accept नहीं किया तो वहीं पे जो बच्चा है छुपाना शुरू कर देता है बातों को और openly share नहीं करना चाहता. वहीं उसका डर आ जाता है and he steps back. So that is what we want to do. हम नहीं चाहते कि बच्चा हमारा हमसे बात छुपाए या किसी गलत चीज, अगर कोई गलती हो गई है उससे, वो हमसे छुपाए. We always want them to come back and we are there to support them. Rather than judging, उनको जज करना कि इतनी बड़ी गलती हो गई, we need to discuss and sort it out. क्योंकि जो गलती हो गई वो तो हो चुकी है. We cannot keep on scolding for that or blaming for that or making him feel guilty about it. So as a parent, one very important thing is being non-judgmental and accepting your child the way he or she is. It is very important, because then they come back to you and you give them the trust, open space to discuss, and then make them learn. So before communicating anything, what we need to do is become mindful and understand what is that I want to communicate. What is the lesson which I want to give to the child? Am I doing something जिसकी वजह से वो आज नहीं सीख पाएगा तो वो बाद में भी डिसीजन नहीं ले पाएगा? See, always it is the journey from dependence to independence and to interdependence. शुरू में बच्चा पूरी तरीके से हम पे डिपेंडेंट रहता है. उसके बाद वो थोड़ा इंडिपेंडेंट होने की कोशिश करता है, बट अल्टीमेटली एज अ सोशल सोशल पीपल, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज अ फैमिली, we all are interdependent. Ultimately we need to tell them कि कहीं अगर ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो we are there. You cannot be always right and we also cannot be always right. अगर हम ये कम्युनिकेशन बच्चों के साथ कर पाते हैं तो I think this is going to help you all. And if you all have any question and queries, please feel free to leave your comments and leave your questions. I have shared my details in the comment section. So I'll wait for few minutes. If you have any query, any question, please feel free. And if you wish to know more or join any of our parenting workshop, please let me know. I conduct parenting workshop, and also uh, next what we are going to conduct is our mindfulness session, where we would be talking about how to have control about the present rather than going in past or in future, thinking too much about it, how we can focus on our present. So if you think it is useful for you and you wish to connect, please feel free. So any question? I can't see any of the comments. So I think we are done. Akanksha, is there any question? Because I can't see mm, many comments over here. So friends, sorry for this technical issue. There's a power cut, so couldn't see if there was any comment. But I think there is one question from Rashmi ji, and she is asking जिद को कैसे avoid करें. तो रश्मि जी, मैं यही कहूँगी, बच्चे हैं तो ज़िद करना बहुत स्वाभाविक है, बिल्कुल नेचुरल है कि बच्चे ज़िद करते हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि बच्चे नहीं समझते. हम बड़े हैं, हम समझते हैं वी कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट टू चाइल्ड टू बिहेव लाइक अस, राइट. बट what we need to do is we need to understand that we cannot fulfill it every time, right? We have to decide, we have to see, and we have to form a reinforcement schedule. Like अगर बच्चा कुछ अच्छा कर रहा है तो how we are appreciating, how we are giving the things or the say objects or eatables which they like, which they are asking for or demanding. एंड वन थिंग इज़ कि जब बच्चा बहुत गुस्से में है, बहुत टेम्पर टैंट्रम्स थ्रो कर रहा है, इमिजिएटली उस वक्त रिएक्ट ना करें, बिकॉज बच्चा उस वक्त कंडीशन में नहीं है कि वो आपकी बात को सुने. ही इज़, वो अपनी ही दुनिया में है, वो अपने ही धुन में खोया हुआ है, उस समय वो आपको नहीं सुनेगा. लीव हिम फॉर सम टाइम, give him time to settle down, and then try and speak about it. Whatever has happened उसके बारे में डिस्कस करें, कि क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ, and what is that he needs, and what is that which cannot be completed. उस समय वो आप कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप मार्केट जाते हैं, एवरी टाइम बच्चा अगर रो के जिद करेगा फ्लोर पे लेट के कि नहीं टॉय दिला दो दिला दो, every time it's not possible. So what is important here is to make him understand the value, like I told you, value about the money, how he can spend, how much he can get, how many toys he can buy at a time. मंथ में आप उसको एक देते हैं या एक दो, या आप उसका एग्जाम कंप्लीट हो जाता है एंड ही डज प्रिटी वेल, तब आप उसके फेवरेट दो टॉयज दिलवाते हैं. सो देयर हैज टू बी अ you know mutual contract between parent and the child. It is not always that you have to fulfill, they also have to fulfill. तो बहुत स्ट्रांगली मैं यहाँ पे आई बिलीव इन द स्कूल कि पेरेंट्स cannot become friend of a child, you know. Parent has to play the role of parent, and parent के दो important role जो हैं, that is love and affection and control. Control कहाँ, when it becomes dangerous or when it is not safe for the child or for the others. These are the two things which parents are there for. Show them immense love, give them opportunity, create environment, give them support. That is how we can do. And I hope, Rashmi ji, this answers your question. If you still have query, you can get back to me. And friends, the story which I have shared with you, it's a real story, and it is a story of Mrs. Sudha Murthy. You all might be knowing, she's wife of Mr. Narayan Murthy. And very wonderful tip she has given, that you don't have to give importance to everything that the child is demanding. So that is from my side. If you have any other question, please let me know. So I don't see any other comment here. So are we done for this session, or is there any other question? Please let me know. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you, Akanksha, for giving this opportunity. Thank you everyone for joining. And if you have more questions, please leave your queries or you can contact me. I'll respond to your queries in the comment section as well. Thank you.